the thing that we're also very, very focused on is to make sure we're building out our cloud infrastructure in Europe, for Europe, and making sure that sovereignty is a top-level commitment for us. In fact, in April, we announced a set of European digital commitments. This spanned everything from the commitment we have to build a local AI ecosystem, a cloud ecosystem, a commitment to ensure that there is resilience no matter what, right? Even any geopolitical instability or volatility, still there needs to be resilience, and we have our commitments to that. Protecting privacy, that's another commitment. Cybersecurity, as well as making sure that we are strengthening Europe's competitiveness with technology, including open source that's being built in the continent. So we have these commitments we made in April, and today, we want to build on it when it comes to sovereignty. So Microsoft has a very comprehensive view and approach to sovereignty. It spans sovereign public cloud. It also extends to sovereign private cloud, as well as our national clouds that we are building. So let's just dive right in and talk about sort of what is some of the new announcements we are really pleased to be making today when it comes to sovereign public cloud. It starts with Data Guardian. Now, Data Guardian is about making sure that administrative operation on the cloud in Europe is done by employees of Microsoft who are domiciled and resident in Europe, and all of the operations themselves are logged in an immutable log that is auditable, right? So this is a guarantee on all of the administrative operations. The second thing that we're also very pleased to sort of announce is the external key management. So that means you will be able to encrypt your data and have the keys completely resident in your private cloud. So there is none of the key material is in the public cloud at all. So the combination of this Data Guardian and key management essentially gives you a fully sovereign cloud operation using, while at the same time, the public cloud. And we have made all of this possible with a fantastic set of controls in this regulated environment management. So any customer, any tenant will have one dashboard to go to be able to see what's happening with the Data Guardian and manage that, as well as the key management. So we are really ensuring that you have, even in the public cloud, a fully sovereign operation that you can take advantage of. But we're not stopping there. We're going to the next step and saying, okay, what's the way for us to support a fully sovereign private cloud? And this is where we are very, very excited to extend Azure Local with virtualization support. So that means all of the containers and VMs that you have in the Azure public cloud are now available on Azure Local. But on top of it now, we will have Microsoft 365 Local. So that means all of your productivity, collaboration, software can run as well completely in your private cloud. So we think that the combination of sovereign services for public cloud and sovereign private cloud really give you all of the technology to be able to then drive European cloud infrastructure with all of the sovereignty requirements. But on top of it, we also have local partners. Right here, we have InSpark, for example, in Netherlands, who is going to be able to use our various services, whether on the public cloud or on the private cloud, to provide local services. And we have many other European partners as well who are going to help us make sure that we deliver on all of the sovereignty requirements by country in Europe.